This is the pivot point profile indicator created and published by LuxAlgo on July 4th, 2024. Now, you might be wondering, what's the purpose of this indicator? Well, it's incredibly useful, as you'll discover in this video. And to add the indicator to your chart, start by heading over to TradingView, the trading platform I'll be using. If you haven't signed up yet, you can find the link in the video description. Once you're on TradingView, load the 1 hour time frame for the odd CAD pair. While I'm using this time frame and asset as an example, you can apply this indicator to any trading security and any time frame. Next, open the indicator search tab by clicking on the indicators button. Type in pivot point profile and look for the one by LuxAlgo. This tool is designed to analyze and display key price levels, specifically focusing on past pivot points. Instead of using volume data like the volume profile indicator, it replaces it with pivot points, essentially the previous swing highs and lows on the chart. By visually profiling past pivot points, this indicator highlights significant areas of price action that could act as future support or resistance levels. Now, I know I mentioned support and resistance, and you might think this is just another glorified indicator for those levels, but stick with me, this tool is incredibly accurate, especially when compared to a volume profile. When you first add it to your chart, it looks like this. The indicator consists of several components. The pivot profile is the horizontal histogram you see here. Each row of the histogram represents data. Blue rows indicate pivot lows, and red rows indicate pivot highs. Some rows include both blue and red bars, showing they're made up of both pivot lows and pivot highs, while single colored rows only represent one type. The numbers on the rows represent how many pivot points were used to create each row. For example, if a row shows 3, it means that the row was built from 3 pivot points. Drawing a horizontal line at that row allows you to visually pinpoint the pivot points used in its construction. In addition to the rows, there are 2 horizontal zones called concentrated areas. These zones are derived from the rows with the highest concentration of pivot highs or lows. For example, a red zone indicates bearishness, often considered a resistance level because its row has the largest concentration of pivot highs. Conversely, a blue zone derived from the row with the most pivot lows is seen as bullish, often a support level. These zones form the foundation for how we'll use this indicator to trade. Before diving into trading strategies, let's explore the indicator settings to understand how customizable it is. For pivot type, switch to fractal, leave the pivot length at 5, but reduce the look back period to 20, which limits the calculation to the most recent pivot points. Activate the concentrated area threshold and set it to 3. This ensures that support or resistance zones are formed only after being tested 3 times, making them more reliable. However, setting a larger threshold might make these levels unstable since over-tested zones can weaken. Finally, adjust the profile offset to 10. This shifts the histogram slightly to the right, giving you more space between it and your price chart. Once everything is set, click OK. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Now let's add a trend confirmation indicator, the 7 EMA or 5 MA by StoreWise. Double click to access its settings. Set EMA 1 to 50, EMA 2 to 100, and EMA 3 to 200. Disable all other moving averages except these 3, then click OK. These EMAs will help us confirm bullish or bearish trends When the EMAs are stacked upward, it's a bullish trend. When stacked downward, it's bearish. You can use the pivot point profile indicator in two main ways to identify rejection or bounce areas into spot break and retest zones. To identify a rejection area, look for blue zones indicating support. For example, if the price returns to a blue level and touches it with just a wick, followed by a bullish candle closing within the zone but not below it, this could signal a rejection. At this point, confirm the trend using the EMAs. If they indicate a bullish trend, you can take a long position, place your stop loss below the most recent swing low, and set your take profit at 1.5 to 1. But if you want to know how to make way more than that, and also automate it into a free trading bot with alerts, make sure to watch the entire tutorial. This method works similarly for red zones or resistance, but in reverse for short positions. For break and retest trades, start by identifying a resistance level red zone. If the price breaks above the level and later retests it, watch for a strong bullish candle, like an engulfing candle, as confirmation. Check the EMAs to ensure the trend aligns with your trade direction. Then take a long position with a stop loss below the level and a 1.5 risk reward ratio. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. For short trades, look for the price to break below a support level blue zone, retest it, and confirm a bearish trend using the EMAs. This is the pivot point profile indicator by LuxAlgo. Try it out on TradingView and see how it fits into your trading strategy. If you find a way to incorporate it into your trading arsenal, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.